Alright, we're gonna get into this. It's MCC. Woo! Woo! You're meant to be fucking happy. You happy for what, you may ask? Don't fucking ask me. Figure out yourself. Alright? Why do I have to do everything? Fucking all the time. Can't do anything on your own anymore. Next you're gonna be asking for a social worker. Fucking hell. You tell me to pay for it too. Fucking who you are. That's all you do. Trust me and say, man. We're gonna die out here. They're coming for us, man. Get us out of here, man. Oh, man. It's a nice cross on you over there. I don't even know if this sounds good. Because I feel... Oh, shit, Mom. Sorry, that was air in my mouth. You're quite bubbly, if you know what I mean. Dry mouth, full of saliva. That's what I mean. I know, it's kind of a weird combo. It happens, you know? Probably I'm an addict, you know? That's all. Yeah, I don't know if this is actually recording. Oh, it is. It is. Let me try something. That's going to a gorgeous game of creative. Hit a reach, obviously. Best one. Not a doubt. Well, yeah, there's not much to contend with. Fine. I don't care if you try to bring out Halo 2 because that shit, when it comes to the creative. I'm just saying, alright? No harsh feelings. You did good. You did good. You know. And there's, you know, another free. My sugar. I shouldn't. It's only a fucking game. Don't get triggered. Alright? Because that's cringe. Sorry. Got a dry nose as well. And I sniff for some reason. When it's dry. Don't ask why. Probably a breach. All the fucking cool kids say now. Breach. Okay. Walk on, blood. Or bruv. Whatever it fucking is. You know what? I don't care. Grow up. Alright? You're gonna go around pretending you're a fucking gangster. Looking with your fingers. Pretending they're little pew-pews. It just seems a bit lame to me, you know. Just get a real one, alright? It costs like a bit of money. You know, I'm having a disability. Like, don't know. What do all the cool kids have nowadays? Fucking, what is it? DID. What the fuck ever that is. I don't know. Because I do know. Because, they go on about it all the fucking time. It drives me insane. It's like, really? Really? Do you need that? Do you need to be disabled? Like, really? That's like the worst thing I could think of when it comes to being a person. That's being disabled. I'm sorry. It's no like, oh, get out of jail card. Oh, I don't have to work. Which is why they're doing it, right? Why that attention? But yeah, it's just, why? Why do you have to do that? It doesn't make you look good. It's just, you look cringe, alright? That's what I meant. But, it's just why? Why can't you just be normal? It's a job. Well, I can't say much. But, I don't pretend to have disability, you know? I don't pretend to have the old bed cramps. Oh, oh bloody hell! I'm too ill to go in. Oh, I got a little cough. Little cheeky. I don't know how to fucking use this. How do you fucking turn into a machine? Die, you prick. I'm trying to think. It's the one of the fucking arrow keys, you know, D-pad. But obviously, I don't have one of those, so we're just gonna have to do it till it works. Is it one of these? Nope. It's kind of cringe, man. Come on, man. It's fucking in there. Why is it that one? Fucking comma. Come on, my ass. Fuck. Come on, me fucking dick. Lordy, soggy nuggets. What the fuck is this? Why is it going so slow now? Jeez. Is this the fastest it goes, dude? This is like. That's fucking shit. Or it would go this fucking slow. And that's fucking. I've seen fucking grands that move faster than that. Come on. Fucking all these. Fucking going too slow, man. We once built a base on here. Fucking meant nothing. All that shit got deleted. I would fucking pay good money to get out of that. No fucking wouldn't, because I could build it fucking blindfolded. Because it was that fucking shite. Oh, sorry, that, but what we'll do is we'll build a base on the opposite side, have a long run. That's it. Nothing else. And you'll just try to invade. That's all. That was literally it. That's all we fucking did. Man, so I could turn some of those into like invasion maps. That sounds fucking proper cool. That's what cool kids play. Not Fortnite or COD. You know? That's what streamers play. Because they can only play against kids and not adults. Yeah, I know. Fucking sucks to be them. Man, I wish I could be like that. You know, play a game that I like. You know, a game that I can, you know, sit down and play. Which is full of kids that I can wreck, but I can't. Probably because I just don't play shit. I just don't play that shit. That shit is shit. It's just piles of shit. Doo doo, as they say. You know what doo doo is? It's fucking. That's what I do. I don't know how to do anything. What the fuck is that? It's usually, which is reload. No, like, well, now. It says right now. Place object 1. Thank you. Cushion rifle. Cool. You. Cool. Perhaps I can wreck some kids on here with my bloody new skills that I've obtained from keyboard. We feel like a super soldier now. I can take on the world. Right, I'm fucking my voice, but I don't care. Let me show you what one can do. Right, you go here. Oh, look at that. Don't need a rifle. Don't want that. Oh, that what bloody works? How doesn't it? So, no, I don't want that fucking shit. I can get rid of that. Oh, fuck you. Fuck, just to delete it. Come on. Delete. Oh, it's fucking delete. Obviously it is. It's not working, is it? It's not working. Come on. Don't make me do this. Yeah, we did it before, you know, end the joke. It's much of a joke, it's just funny voices. It sucks. Everything sucks. No, just. Ooh. Ooh, how do I sort weapons? Ooh. Frag. Zeph. You know. Ooh. 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 It's usually tab, but this time it's not working. I lied about it. I don't know about keyboard that much. So dirty cheater. I use auto aim if you know what I mean. Yeah. Dirty cheater. Should be telling me to stop, you know. How dare you use auto aim. It's the fucking targets. It's farming trees. Might actually. Oh, actually, might be better. Just like holding my hands up, trying to lean them on. Don't want you. Suck ass. Everything sucks ass now. I want that concussion. Concussion. Come on. What's the E? What's this? E. Everything's E. 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 Oh, well. I think I'm bored of this. I might grow up and leave. Why? I just don't know what to do, really. That's all. So.
Game over.
2 guns? Create a new map? It's fucking brilliant. I should get a medal for that. I did something that no one could do. Something that was genius. Create a map. I did. I really did do it. And I could learn something from this. Like, how to do good shit. Now I'm just taking a piss. Obviously, it was fucking horseshit. It's always going to be horseshit, though. Everything is going to be horseshit. That's all. I don't even think I finished that word. Horse shit. As in a. Oh, that goes in the red zone. Oh, fuck me, that hurt my ears. Probably super quiet on the other end though. So we'll see.